Hey guys, how are you? This is Larry Mabry, just touching base with you guys. I wanted to talk about value today. See, in my hand right now, I have a crisp $50 bill. What if I were to tell you I'm going to give this to you right now? Would you really want that? I'm sure a few of you guys were like, yeah, I would take that. So what if I were to do this? Crumple it up. Would you still take it? Of course you would. So what if I were to take this $50, take it out, step out of my car, stomp on it, put a little bit of soil on it, a little bit of oil? Would you still accept it? Some of you guys are like, well, yeah. Most of you guys are like, yeah, I'll still take it because you understand that it's $50. It's valuable. The value doesn't change no matter what the situation goes on. Okay? A lot of times people think that they go through things, they go through situations, get caught up in a situation, and you start devaluing yourself because of the situation. Think about that for a second. I mean, I was at a place where, I had situations happen in my life, and I felt a little bit depressed, a little bit not sure of myself. But then I realized that no matter what goes on around you, you're still valuable. I mean, obviously I'm worth more than $50. But my point is this. The value that you have inside of you does not ever change. Okay? It's all about what you're choosing to put your focus on. I know you're valuable. I see the value in you. Okay? The fact that you're deciding to take a look at this is by divine intervention. Okay? What we need to do is have you take your game to the next level. You know your value. You know you're in a situation where you want to do something different. I was there too. But the universe will support you when you take that step. Click on the link below. Let's get caught up. We've had a lot of individuals get caught up and they're changing their lives day by day by day. Be the next person, but you got to take that step. I could take the horse to the water, but I can't make him drink. Click on the link below and change your life and understand your value. You know you're worth more than what you're making right now, but you have to take the action to make that leap, to do what you need to do. As you take the leap, as you change your life, the universe will give you different types of resources to help you do that. And as well as myself and my team will do whatever we need to do to help you become successful. But you got to take the initiative. You got to take the action to change your life. Okay, guys, see you on the other side. This is Larry Mabry out. Peace and love. Deuces.